How to transfer money from PayPal to Capitec Bank. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To transfer the money from PayPal to Capitec Bank, what you can do is firstly launch a PayPal application in your device. Or you can open a preferred browser and search for paypal.com. In here, the first step is to log into your account if you have not yet. Then, to transfer the money from PayPal to Capitec Bank, firstly, we need to link the Capitec Bank with our PayPal. If you don't know how, here is a short recap. So what you can do is at the bottom in the card section, you will see the option Link a Card. You can click on the option. After that, you will see the interface like this. So what you can do is you can enter the credit card number, your card type, expiration date, and security code of your Capitec Bank. Then click on Link Card option. After that, you'll be linking your PayPal and your Capitec Bank. Now to transfer the money, what you can do is simply you can click on the Send button. After that, in here you can type in your account number, then select Bank option. Enter the money that you wish to transfer from your PayPal to Capitec Bank. Verify yourself and preview your transaction. And just like that, you have transferred your money from your PayPal to Capitec Bank. And it is a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.